न जाना ये दिल तेरा दीवाना, जहाँ भी तू जाए तेरे पीछे आए, तेरा आशिक पुराना. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Atri and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So guys, in today's video I am going to swatch all the 16 shades of Just Herbs lipstick, that is their Ayurvedic lipstick. So I received their micro mini kit along with my order which I placed sometimes back. So I thought, why not, let's swatch these lipsticks and review these lipsticks for you. So here I am inserting the swatch part of it, and if you don't wish to see swatches, you can jump up to my review, or if you want to see my swatches, just continue watching. These lipsticks are in the market. It's been quite some time now, and they claim that these lipsticks, they don't have any paraffin, don't have any mineral oil, don't have lead and other harmful chemicals which generally other lipsticks have. And to my surprise, I was thinking that these lipsticks will be creamier. I was thinking that these are those kind of lipsticks which are not matte, but I was wrong, because these lipsticks, they do transfer ever so slightly, but you can see that it gives illusion of matte. Not illusion, it is giving me matte feels. It does transfer ever so slightly, but nothing too crazy about. So I really like the formula of these lipsticks, and of course these will not make your lips chapped, but you have to you have to exfoliate your lips and you have to apply a lip balm and then use these lipsticks. So these lipsticks, they will not apply very smoothly because I had the micro mini size, so I had very difficulty swatching these lipsticks. Like not much, but still I was facing difficulty because these were super duper mini. But what I liked about these are the texture, the formula is very good. Like I wasn't expecting these lipsticks to be this good. I was thinking that Ayurvedic lipstick है यार, पता नहीं कितनी ही अच्छी होंगी, but actually you can definitely use these lipstick, and these are very good for someone who has sensitive lips, or someone, if you are pregnant, you can also use these because these don't have any lead, any paraffin, any mineral oil. These are very safe to use. Now these are my opinion. Please do a patch test or please apply these lipsticks and then only you can be 100% sure. But according to me, I really love it. But these, if you want to buy the bigger size, it retails for 745, and if you buy the mini size, I think it retails for 545, something like that. Lipsticks don't have any sulfate or silicone or petrochemicals, so again very good for lips. Now if you are someone who has pigmented lips and you don't want to make your lips more pigmented, so then you can definitely use these lipsticks. And all in all, I really loved these lipsticks. I mean, these will stay on your lips 3 to 4 hours and then they will fade away. And regarding the pigmentation is also very good. What I feel is that they don't have a variety of shades. I mean that whatever shade I was applying, it was giving me kind of similar vibes. So you will see in the swatches, you must have seen in the swatches that the lipstick range is not that much. I would have loved if they had a dark brown color, but they don't have a dark brown color. And they do have some pinks, some magentas and some red, some nude colors also, but they don't have any dark brown color. So if you are looking for a dark brown color, they don't have any. And I really love 12, 13, 14 shades because they are brown, peachy, nude color, so that those will look really good on people of my skin tone. So all in all, I feel only these two other things. The shade range should be a little bit more explicit, although they have 16 shades, but I think they still miss a dark brown color. So apart from that, I really loved it. And you can get a micro mini tester if you want. I think those retail for 500 rupees only, and right now there is an offer going on. And no, this is not a PR or not collab or nothing of that sort. These are my honest opinion. I bought all of these things with my own money. If you are following me on Instagram, you know that I have got these lipsticks and these products with my own money. And also I have their lip and cheek tint, and I also have their skin tint. So if you want to know more about these products, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, now I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and let me know which shade was your favorite. Bye guys.